What's up, y'all? This is Masada from CycleKit.com. I'm here to give you a first preview of my new Cycle Kit, Masada Cycle Kit Volume 2, available soon on my website at thecyclekit.com. So basically, I want to also show you a new feature that I'm thinking about doing. I might do it either way. I'm not exactly sure. I might split the kit up into two different type of kits, or I might have it in one kit. Let me explain to you what I mean. Alright, so basically I added this new feature to the kit. It's like an enhancement to some of the sounds that I'm using. Alright, so an example. In this kit here, I basically added additional layering to the kit. So to help aid you, so you can just basically load up the kit and you're ready to go. You have one or two things. I can either offer the kit as two kits in one, an unenhanced version or an enhanced version. You'll just have to load up whatever one you want to use. Let me give you an example of what I mean by enhanced. Check out this kit right here. Alright, so you hear this kick right here, right? So you hear the sub underneath it. Now, say if I want to use that kick, but I don't really want that sub, I will go here to sub mix. Now I have that kick right there without that sub. But if I want it back, I can always go back to sub mix, and that kick is right there. That sub is right there underneath that kick. Same thing with the snare. Like, say this snare right here is a little too full. I can go up here and mute it out a little bit. Alright, but alright, so let's just get to the sounds now. Alright, so I'm gonna go through these sounds real quick. Alright.
ThePsychoKid.com